Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting evidence. This speeds resolution. First, open YouTube Studio and filter for copyright claims so you see the exact flagged short. Next, determine whether it's a content ID match or a manual takedown. That matters. Locate the original asset files, license emails, or purchase receipts and take screenshot timestamps from the short. Once done, export the short's metadata and any explanatory notes. Keep everything organized in one folder. Make sure files are clearly labeled for quick reference. Now you act. Choose Dispute versus Counter Notice. If you own or license the clip, click File a Dispute, attach your license or receipt and explain why the short is authorized. Be specific about rights and dates. If asserting fair use, outline transformative purpose, portion used, and lack of market harm. Keep it succinct and factual. If it's a manual takedown, consider a counter notice only when you're certain and prepared for potential legal escalation. Include full contact and declaration language. Once submitted, note timelines. Finish by monitoring the claim's status in YouTube Studio. Disputes typically resolve within 7 to 30 days, so be patient but proactive. If your dispute is denied, try direct communication with the claimant, send proof and request release, and consider legal counsel if necessary. Make sure to document every exchange and keep backups of original content and licenses. If things go wrong, your single best troubleshooting move is to gather a clear paper trail. This helps support appeals, negotiations, or formal legal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.